Today marks a special milestone as we officially break ground to our project, Olive. A home that will be filled with memories, comfort, and happiness.
Wake up, let's count the stars instead of dreaming.
Dahan-dahan po natin makikita na bubuuin natin yung pangarap nila, ma'am. So, magtulungan po tayo. Simula pa lang po ito ng ating journey bilang homeowners na pagtuyo ng pangarap po nilang house. So, maraming salamat po.
With your hand in mine, this life could be anything. This is our time. I wanna feel something, something real and true. I wanna live this life right here next to
This day was the start of the construction na kung saan pwede na mag-start ng layout. Ito rin yung sign of bless, gaya po ng ginawa nyo kanina na pagsasabog ng coins, sometimes rice, sometimes with salt, parang gano'n. Which is yun, napakalaking parang blessing. Yung from the start to finish, nagkano siya, nagpapakita siya ng bless.
This is not something na sinadya namin, pero it's the will of God na kayo yung makatrabaho ng dream house namin. And we hope that this start will be a fruitful start. It will be smooth, and it will be not only happy, but it will be fun, and it will be worth it. And we would like to thank you guys.
So sana wala tayong maging problem. Gusto lang namin ng good working environment. At we are completely trusting the group. At very happy kami dun sa outcome.
I wanna feel brand new. I wanna live this life right here next to you. I wanna feel something, something real and true. I wanna live this life right here next to you.
Ma'am, sir, thank you po sa blessings and trust na binigay niyo sa amin para ma-build po itong future home niyo. Muli, in behalf of Quinto Architects, may the God bless us all. Thank you po.